for the purpose of data entry.
I shall explain just. You got the email, everybody? You have the course material?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Everybody please go to your folder that I have given to you, the course material one. Just open the fresh file for data input. Open this one. Already used. Okay. Okay. Nothing is there, right? You are telling it should not be. It is a fresh file like this.
Yeah.
Yes. So if you open,
Yes, sir.
yes, please. Yes.
Option.
Okay. So we have, if you open the SPSS file, then you will find two different sheets, two different view. One is data view, another is variable view. In that,
Yes.
please mute your mic, please. Okay, in data view and one is variable view. In the variable view, we put the variable information there, like what kinds of actually basic characteristics of the data that we give the input in the variable view, like its name, its full name, then what kinds of data is it, and what will be the how many decimals we will use, what will be the width of the column, or either it is numeric or text data. All of this information that we can put in variable view. In data view, we just put the data by 1, 2, 3. Yes, Ayub Khan.
Yes, sir. Sir, in variables, so we can input only 41 variables. That's all, sir. We can't put more than that.
Pardon?
In variables, sir, we can put only 41 variables, or we can put more than that.
You can give input as much as you want, brother. Thousands of
Okay.
information you can put, no problem. So suppose in our, if you open the file like this, here data inputs from the questionnaire to SPSS. Suppose the first information that we want to put in our SPSS, that is the department. It has four four options like cutting, sewing, finishing and printing. So here how will we give the input in variable view? Suppose here we will write department, DEPART, department. You can write here in short or full, it depends on you, because the same whatever we will write here, the same it will appear here. So if it is short, then short you can, but normally in the name we give the short name like this, department, or here we in the label we write the full name. Okay, department. And this is what kinds of data is it? Is it numeric or dot, comma, date, dollar, that we can put over here. And this is the width, you can, this is the column width. If you give increase the number of number, then the column width will increase. Okay, okay. And suppose decimal, how many decimal number do you want? If you don't want any decimal number, then it will not. Here suppose here if you want to give any, I shall show you how to give their name, but if you want more than 2 decimal, 3 decimal, here from here you can control. Here you can write your statement or the questionnaires statement. Here you can write. And then missing values, either you want the missing values or here that you can, oh sorry, the values, that values you have to give. Suppose there are some options here. I have given we have given here, suppose 1 is cutting, 2 is sewing, 3 is finishing, and 4 is printing. So you have to give the input here, like 1 is, what was the one? That was the cutting section or cutting department. CUTTI. Everybody please work with me.
Sir, Assalamualaikum. Sir, screen ki, can possible to share screen so that we can see?
You are not watching
I'm not.
screen?
So we
No,
are
sir,
able to.
no.
Huh?
The screen is
able to-
visible. The screen is
Visible.
visible. Check your phone or check your computer.
Okay, again I have to maybe in the beginning I was doing it. Again I am sharing the screen. Now you are watching my screen?
Yes, sir. Now watching.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Okay, thank you, sir.
from the beginning you are not watching my screen.
No, but from beginning I have seen, but
Okay.
few times off.
Okay. Okay, so here you can write the short name, here the numeric or comma, dot, dollar, you can, what kinds of data is it, you have to assign from here, string, dollar, custom currency, or comma, dot, scientific note, here you can give. Then what is the column width that you can give from here. So normally 8, it is the 8th column width. So, and this is the decimal number you can assign. If you don't want decimal number, or if you want 2 or more, you can use. And you can write here the full name and your statement here in the label. And in the values you have to give what are the different options given to the respondents, and which options you are denoting by what. Suppose here in our case cutting department, in department cutting section is 1, sewing is 2, finishing is 3, and printing is 4. So we have to put the information here like this. 1 is cutting, then everybody please did you open the file, everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Please open the fresh file, first file, fresh
Yes, sir.
file
It's
for
okay from my
data
side.
input. All of you opened it?
Sir, in the file it is written A, but in your SPSS,
Yeah. Yes, whatever. A will be denoted as 1, yeah, B will be denoted as 2, no issue. Because our data needs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Numeric data is required, not alphabetic data. That way we have collected the data. Whenever we give the questionnaire to the respondents, what they answer, based on that we will code that information to the SPSS software. So A will be denoted as 1, B will be denoted as 2, like this. You got the point?
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I understood, sir. But I have a problem, sir.
Okay, please.
I cannot open the file. I cannot access the file. I have the file, but I cannot access it.
Okay. What's your name, brother?
Abdullah
Abdullah. From where?
from Somalia.
Okay, Malay. Okay. What the version you have in SPSS you installed? Which version?
No, I didn't install any version, I just want to,
Okay, that's
have the
that's
SPSS workshop, I mean the workshop material.
okay.
The workshop
Brother.
material I cannot access it, but I have the another version, which is 23.
Brother, if you do not have installed yet SPSS software, if your computer do not have the SPSS installed software,
Okay.
so then this
Okay.
file will not open, brother.
Oh, understood. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, I have to install it.
Okay.
Excuse me, Doc. Which file? The name file that has to be opened? Which one? There are so many lists, right?
Okay, sister. Yeah, Asilina, do you need to talk?
Yeah, Tuti.
Tuti,
Sorry?
do you need to talk?
Yeah, excuse me. I just ask, which file. Here I have opened the
just
list.
the folder
number
that I given
or
to you, Sister Tuti. I have
number.
given one folder like SPSS
Yeah,
workshop
yeah, yeah.
materials. Just open that one.
Yeah. Number
And the
SPSS workshop
the
material.
first fresh file for data input. Open this file.
Okay. Thank you.
Or the software that I have given you, if you open that one, you will find the same fresh file. For my workshop practice, I just give a name so that in the beginning you don't have any problem. That's why I have created file like this. For every test, I have created different files that will help to do the practice for the workshop. Okay.
Yes, sir. Doctor, my one is not opening up to now, but no problem. I can follow it this way. But the software is working perfectly.
Okay.
What
version
I did
do
my
you
all
have?
possible best.
What version do you have in SPSS in your
The same
computer?
version that the one you sent to us, 23.
Okay, you can restart your computer, brother. Then you can go and yeah. Did you unzip your file, brother?
Yes, doctor, I did that.
Okay, after unzip, I think it will open if you install the same software that I
did. I think I can get the sample data inside the SPSS. I can just get there and then follow it.
I did not get you, brother.
I say I can get the sample data inside the SPSS, then I will follow it with it.
Okay, please. Okay. Okay, second. Sister Tuti, when you talk, then you just unmute mic. Otherwise, keep your mic mute. Okay. Second is the value. Second value is swing. All right. 2 will be the swing. Here, value 2 is swing. Then third is finishing, right? Third is finishing, fourth is printing. Third is finishing, and fourth is printing, like this. Then okay. So see all these variables. 1 means cutting, 2 means swing, 3 means finishing, and 4th means printing. If you have more option like this, you can go through like this. Then do you want any missing data? Is no, I don't want any missing data, no missing values we want. Then columns, the columns width and the row, I think it is the row width and is the column width. If you want to increase like this, see.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, it is. Yes, please.
Please, I'm so sorry. Would you please once again shed light about missing? If you give an example here, sir.
Okay. Anybody
missing?
Anybody have any idea what is missing here? Can anybody?
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Yes. Okay. The missing system or missing value is used to represent data that might be missing. For instance, if the response was not given in the from the respondent, you can give a code. For instance, say 99,
Yeah.
so that whenever you analyze and see 99, it would tell you that
Is
this was missing or
missing.
was not
Yeah.
reported.
Yes. And this is the data, different kinds of data. Either you have to assign the data type, either nominal, ordinal, or scale. So department is, so far we discussed in our early session. So we it would be nominal, right? So this is how we give
Also,
yeah, variable information here. Yeah.
also, please, I have a question.
No, please. Yes, brother Peko.
Okay, about value, please. How can we put it in bold instead of typing one by one? How can we put it in bulk?
In okay,
In bulk, yeah.
in bulk you can copy and paste if we need. In the Likert scale data, suppose if we in our variable, suppose you want to same information you want to give for all the for all the rows, so you can copy and paste there, no problem. It is like Excel.
Okay, thanks.
Welcome. So the second one, the designation. Please, everybody, please follow me. How to give the information, the designation. The second, then so on. I shall show you. Here you can write here designation, desig. Then it will remain yeah, with same here department. Here you can write full name, designation. Designation here. What are the different designation here? Senior operator is 1, operator 2, helper 3, and ironman 4. Senior 1 is senior operator. Hello. Hello. I
Yes,
can
sir.
watch your
Yes, sir.
brother. Okay, here one is senior operator. Senior operator. 2 is operator, right? Okay. Operator. And third is helper, and fourth is ironman. Third is helper, and fourth is ironman. Okay, then okay. No missing column, and this is also nominal data, right? So this is how we give the data inputs in the questionnaire for demographic information. So however, when during the given input in age and experience, that would be the ordinal data. You will select here the ordinal data. Here you will write, you will select here ordinal, otherwise everything will remain same. So we shall learn now how to give input if your data is Likert scale data is like this. Okay. So how can we give the input, this data input? So first is ways 1, right? W1, W1. This is the not decimal, same. Here you can write the full statement. I am getting minimum wages as per Bangladesh labor law. I am getting minimum wages as per Bangladesh labor law. You can write the full statement here like this. Okay. Then
Assalamualaikum, sir.
yes, please.
Am I free to give any name or in short there?
Yes, here again please, sister.
For example, we have written here depart in short DEPART, then designation as DESIG. So I'm asking that are you free to give any name here?
That's why we have
In
given
short,
not any name. You can easily understand which variable is it. It is
yeah.
under ways and it is the first statement. That is why it is the variable name is wage, and under that we use the W. W means wage and statement number 1. That's why we use the statement number 1. It is very important. The data coding is very important because whenever you will go for the EFA and when you will do the structural equation modeling, in that case easily you can identify which items under which variable. Here from here W1, W2, W3, all of these variable items are representing the wages. So easily when you will create the measurement model or the structural model, there you will select all these items under the variable of latent variable of wages. So that's why the coding is very important. Otherwise the examiner, the reader, they will confused. So
I want to add something.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
In case of name column, I want to add that information. In case of name column, you cannot give spaces. However, in case of label column, you can give spaces. So it would be better to add short name in the name column because you cannot give spaces. Instead, you can give an underscore if you want to add some space.
Who is
Am
this
I right?
sister? Who is this
Dr.
sister?
Huda Javid.
Thank you very much, sister. I forget to tell you.
Okay.
Here, my
Don't
sister
worry at all.
give you the information. This is very important. Here, in the name of the variable, we cannot give any space. You are rightly saying, doctor. But suppose marital status, you want to write the marital status. In that case, suppose if you want one variable here, marital status, underscore status, status. In this way also you can write here like this, and here you can write the full name as our doctor said, marital status. You understand? Here you can give value like one is single, another is Assalamu alaikum. The power has cut off, so I am coming with alternate internet connection. So please wait for a while until it will take another 4-5 minutes to reconnect with you. So don't worry.